Now, after we make color palette script, we can continue for create next data, which is item ball data, to create one. Simply from your Unity editor window, go to script folder. Then inside script folder, create one more folder, name it Save System, and in here we will make two script. First is item ball data, second one is item BG data. This data will be shown later from shop and depending on which item data player pick. If the data are unlocked, then when they close the shop we will update our UI to match what player selected. Now open both scripts on your script editor. And we will start with explanation for item ball data, as actually both data are 99% similar. Just like color palette and any other scripts, this script will also be part of BallSortPuzzle namespaces. The only addition is this will be inside sub namespace Save System. So, item ball data is just collection of all ball graphics variations we have, and this class only has two variables. One is string to determine where is this save file later on to be saved on platform. The second one is the collection of ball itself. About the ball data, we will split it into different class just for helping us. Inside this ball data class there only has 5 variables. ID is for the name of each ball. And price is for how much money player need to purchase this each ball item. Unlocked will be the boolean to check does this ball is already purchased. If so, then when player select this item on shop page, that will make it become selected and refresh our UI. All the other variables should be easily to understand simply by looking at its name. But for the sprite array, why we make it array? Because that is for store all the color variations of each ball items. Now come inside this region editor helper. So if you don't know what region is, basically any line of code we put in between region and end region blocked will be collapsible. Then next, what is context menu, reset unlock status. Using context menu allow us to trigger certain method from inspector without need to press play, but there is couple limitations. The method must be public and that method can't accept parameter. The method itself simply reset unlocked status of each ball item to false but make the first one unlocked. Same goes with delete file data. So instead of we go into the file itself on window, we could tell Unity to do so by giving correct path with help of path.combine. After we make sure the data are existed, we can delete it. Now about item BG data, as I said, this data are 99% similar to ball data, unless on the BG data helper for the sprite we are not using sprite array, as each BG item will only for one background.